What's up guys, it's Mitsurugi Pro. Welcome to our video today. What I'm going to share with you guys is how you can make a single USB stick multi-bootable. So when we say multi-bootable, we'll have several operating systems inside this disk and we can select which one to boot from. If you're a tech guy or a DIY guy, you might have already experienced installing different versions of operating systems. So you might have a dedicated USB stick on each different flavors of operating systems. Like for me before, I have a dedicated USB stick for Windows 10, for Linux, for Android, for other operating systems. So when I run out of a dedicated USB stick for a certain operating system, I need to write that operating system into this disk. So what if we can make a single USB stick into a multi-bootable device and have all those operating systems that we use inside this disk, and every time there's a new operating system, we can just copy and paste it inside this USB stick and boot from it. Yes, we can do it, and I'm going to share it with you right now. So the software I was talking about, guys, is Ventoy, and I have that link on the description below. You can go ahead and check that one out. Now, before we download the software, go ahead and check the tested ISO. Once you're here, you scroll down and check the operating system you're going to copy and paste into the USB stick after we make it as a multi-boot USB stick. So Windows 7 up to Server 2019 is tested in working with Ventoy. Linux, you can see the list are a lot here, and others. So let's go back here in download Ventoy. Check this one out, guys. This is Windows, that is Linux. So we go ahead in Windows because what we're using right now is Windows. Scroll down here, beta one. We have this is beta. We are not going to download that. I'll just go ahead for Ventoy release, and then you will have it here, Windows zip. Download that, and you'll have it here. It's a small file, 3.7 megabytes. So it's going to take us like 1 minute to download this. Now it's done. You go ahead and open this folder. You can extract, since I am on downloads Ventoy, I'll just go ahead and extract that there, Mitsurugi Pro downloads folder. Okay, so there, here you go. Ventoy is already extracted. I'll just open this one up, and you have this Ventoy disk. Just go ahead and open this software. Yes, make sure that you have already plugged your USB stick. For me, 32 gigabyte SanDisk is already plugged, and yeah, basically we are just going to click install. The disk will be formatted and all the data will be lost. Yes, we're ready for that. The disk will be formatted and all data will be lost. Yeah, yes, double check. So 5%, this will take just a bit. Okay, 52%, 70, 80, 90, 100. So congratulations, Ventoy has been successfully installed to the device. Okay, I'll close this and I'll go to my PC, and Ventoy is here. We open this. We get to paste all the operating system that we want to use here. So I'm just going to go to my downloads folder, and I have the operating system here. I have 4, so I'll just go ahead and copy this. These are the operating system that is available to me right now. I'll just copy that. I'll go to the USB stick Ventoy and then paste this one. Right click and then paste. Alright, so what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to pause here. I'm going to show it to you after the operating systems are copied to my USB stick, so that we're not going to eat up your time. So we have 15 seconds remaining. We're almost done copying this operating system to our USB multi-bootable disk. Now, as you can see it here, we have already 4 operating system, and we should expect this one. If you are going to boot it to a computer, the 4 operating system should be there. Now, if you want more operating system, you can just go ahead and copy it to this directory. Now it's time that we are going to try it to our computer. So let's do it. Okay guys, so this is the computer we're going to use to boot from this USB stick we just made as a bootable device. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and plug this one and power this one on. It's starting on, and we should be able to boot from the USB stick. And there you go. Just put this camera down like that. We should go for let me go for F9. Yeah, so we're going to go to our SanDisk. SanDisk, this is the 32 gig we made as a bootable device. Enter. Then we should be able to get into Ventoy. So this is the page that we got into. We have the Ubuntu that we copied. We have Windows 10 Pro. And then we have Zorin OS. We are missing one operating system, that is the Bliss OS. I did not check if Bliss OS was supported with Ventoy. However, with the 4 operating system that we have copied to our USB stick, we have 3 of them. We can go ahead and let's say try on Ubuntu, or you can select which one you want here. Let's go ahead and try Ubuntu. Once we get into the setup, we can go ahead and cancel. It's working. I'll just go ahead and I'll delete these. I want to restart again and go ahead on F9 and try Windows 10 if it's working. Go ahead and boot that one from that. Go for F9 and go for SanDisk again. Enter. Let's try Windows 10. Go ahead and go for Windows 10. It should be able to boot up. Press any key to boot from CD or DVD. We should be able to go through it. So there you have it. It's starting to load the Windows 10 operating system for installation. And there you go. Yeah, it's working. I don't need to go and try Zorin. We have already tried 2 operating systems. Now take note, guys, like what we have here, the Bliss OS is not working. Better check the operating systems you're going to copy on Ventoy's website if they are tested to be working. Now, if you have learned something in my video, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Help me make a dream of 100,000 subscribers. Just drop your comments down below. Let me know what you think about the Ventoy software. And see you on my next video, guys. Once again, this is me, Torge Pro. Goodbye.